Okay, now in this subject, we are going to talk about what is CPA marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing. Okay?
Okay.
Now, please understand, Prabir, all these three things are same, okay? All these three things are the same, okay?
Okay.
If CPA marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, all are same. All depend on generating leads. Okay, cool. All depend on generating leads, and all these leads come from a specific traffic source. Okay.
Okay.
How are you going to make money? Okay. Step one, choose the right offer. Okay. Cool. Step two, create a funnel on that offer. Okay. And are you following?
Yes, yes.
And step three, start sending traffic to that funnel. Okay.
Okay.
Now, this is it, Prabir. This is it. This is digital marketing. There's nothing more to it. Okay.
Okay.
There's nothing difficult. Like you see those people making, hey, push buttons offer, hey, how to make money online, hey, I'm not making money online, I'm not getting traffic, I'm not getting leads. That's like all bullshit. What is digital marketing? Choosing the right offer, okay, creating a funnel on that offer, okay, and sending traffic to that funnel. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. Now, what is it that you have to do? Okay. What exactly you have to do? Okay. You have to do at your level. Okay. Or let's say how to get the most out of this 3-step process. Okay. What is the big game? What is the big game? The big game is how to get the most out of this 3-step process. You getting me?
Okay.
Okay. So that's it. Let me just make this color blue. Okay. How to get the most out of the 3-step process. Now, did you ever come across posts where people saying, hey, I don't know the right offer, right?
Yes.
That is a big challenge, right? Let's say challenge, right? This is the challenge, right? Now, you might have observed that people saying, how to get traffic, right? I don't know where to get traffic, right?
Right.
This is the challenge, right? Then you might have observed that people saying, I'm not getting leads, right? But no leads, okay? Or bad leads, right?
Right.
So the funnel is the challenge, right?
Right.
What traffic? The traffic is the challenge, right? So what is your goal? In my coaching, you have to learn these challenges, okay?
Okay.
Right? So what I'm going to teach you, see, this is it. You just have to learn how to create the funnels, okay? How how to create the funnel. What exactly you're going to do in my coaching? You're going to learn how to create the funnel. Make sense?
Yes.
Right? You're going to learn how to create the funnel. Then you're going to learn how to tap into the right traffic source. Okay?
Okay.
How to tap into the right traffic source, right? Then you're going to learn which offer is good for what with what traffic. Okay?
Okay.
So this is the last thing that you learn, this one, right? And which funnel is good for what offer. Okay? And what angle to use for what, for a certain audience. Okay? This is the big game. Okay? Once you master, now please understand, once you master how to create the funnels, you will win. Okay? Once you master how to tap into the right traffic source, you will win. Once you learn which offer, once you know the funnels and once you know the traffic sources, getting an offer, there are hundreds of offers out there, right?
Right.
Correct? Then you just have to focus on which offer is good for with what traffic source. Okay? Now, when I say funnel, okay, when I say funnel, how to create the funnel, this includes A, landing pages, right? Correct? This includes B, opt-in pages, right? This includes C, thank you pages. Okay? This includes D.
I have one question here.
Sure, please ask.
Like you said that we need to set up funnel and traffic sources, and after that we'll choose the offer. So my question is, shall we choose the offer first and accordingly we'll prepare the funnel and create the traffic sources, or we should finalize the funnel and traffic first and accordingly we'll choose the offer?
Okay. We choose the offer first. Okay? And then we create the funnel on that offer. Okay? However, in this subject, I'm not telling you what to do first.
Okay.
I am creating the vision in your mind. Make sense?
Yes, yes.
This subject is not about what you have to do first or second. This is about the vision. I am clearing all the clouds in your brain that you had until before you met me. Make sense?
Yes.
Right?
Right.
Is your question answered?
Yes, yes.
Awesome. So how to set up pixels, right? Then how to create how to write, how to create an email sequence, how to create an email sequence. Okay? Email sequence, right? Now there are people out there who are selling email copywriting courses.
Right.
And that's like bullshit. I don't believe, though they might be good, whatever, but I do not believe that you have to buy an email copywriting course to write an email sequence. No. Understand, let's say if you open a restaurant, Prabir, right? Do you think you will go out and take training, right, to talk to the customer?
I don't think so.
99% of the restaurants out there have never taken any kind of training, and they are running the restaurant in a great manner, right?
Right.
Though there are hotel management courses, but 99% of the restaurants have never taken them, right?
Yes.
So the point here is, now you understand there are hotel management courses, but 99% restaurants are running successfully without those courses, right?
Right.
So that means creating an email sequence does not require you to take those courses. You just need to understand what you just need to solve the customer. You just need to make sure the customer is getting value in your email, right?
Right.
And you just need to make sure the customer is getting the value is being delivered on what the customer has opted in for. That's it.
Yes.
Make sense?
Yes. Yes.
Right? Then how to create an email sequence? How to craft an email funnel? Okay, that's it. That's it. That's pretty much it. This is all digital marketing. Do you think this is difficult? Do you have a clear picture in mind right now what digital marketing is, Prabir?
Yes. Yes. Getting the picture.
Any confusion here? Any
Mm,
confusion? Any questions here?
no, it's pretty much clear now.
It's pretty much clear. An amazing answer, right? Now, all
Yes.
the trainings that you have received from me is going to teach you these three challenges, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay?
Okay.
Challenge one, challenge one, challenge two. I'm going to teach you how to overcome these challenges, okay? Challenge 3, right? Now, once you
Okay.
overcome these challenges, you will be able to promote anything online or offline. Okay? Simple enough.
Right.
Now you understand what is available in
Yes.
those trainings, correct?
Okay.
Now
Yes.
that said, I just want to let you know one important thing. The training I've showed you, the 10 days training, you've seen that. It took me 2 years to create that training, Prabir.
Okay.
Okay? So you can understand how powerful that would be.
Yes.
Okay? So that's it. How was this particular session?
This is great actually, and now I'm very much clear that what's included in these courses and what I can achieve after completion of this course.
Fantastic, fantastic. So this is where I finished the subject on what is CPA marketing, digital marketing, and affiliate marketing.